Hello, this is Honda City GM6 owner, and I would like to show you how to troubleshoot a window that does not work. So you can see here the button for all the windows. Driver's side, no problem. Passenger side, no problem. Rear right side, no problem. However, the left back side does not work, but there is a sound when I press the switch. They call it a humming sound or click sound. That means the motor works. What is not working is the window is not brought down by the motor. Probably the motor is dirty. So what I did, let me get out of the car. I have here electrical contact cleaner as well as silicone lubricant. First, using the electrical contact cleaner, you spray onto the sides. Next, silicone lubricant. But before you spray the silicone lubricant, you have to let the electrical contact cleaner to work first. Leave it for 5 minutes, and then, assuming I already left it for 5 minutes, now I spray the silicone. On both sides. Hopefully now it will work. Let's see whether it works. As you can see, it works very well. So let it go up and down several times. And that's it. Hopefully it helps you as well. My car is 10 years old, therefore something going wrong is most likely.